Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. It's not even my birthday, but I got a brand new barbecue that's like a race car. Let's put this thing together. Oh my God. I'm so excited to barbecue. You have no idea. I got my knife. Let's cut it open.
Careful.
Oh, it's a bad knife. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Instructions. Who needs that? Foam.
Okay, it sounded like it was gonna hurt, and you didn't even feel it.
That's so much funnier. Okay, you guys ready for this? It's a race car. I don't know why. I love orange. I saw it. And this is the best right here. This says Boost Burner. Grill Turismo. Oh, it's so funny. It's so funny because it's car related.
That's what isolation does to you. What are you looking at?
Nothing.
What's there?
Nothing. I got paper.
Yeah.
I found the wheels.
That's great.
Yeah.
What do you do next?
Well, I've got the doors here.
Uh-huh.
Look at that. We got
Cool.
silver racing stripes.
What's under your legs there?
Nothing. What?
Nothing.
What are you doing?
Just the instructions.
What? What?
What?
What?
What?
No instructions?
Such a man.
Alright. Got all the wheels in. I'll bolt it down properly. We'll get to that later. Next step. And close the camera so I can go to the... So number one, we got the rollers on. We got one side on here. It uses these screws with lock washers and washers. And it's I don't like that it just threads into the tin, but it seems pretty good. So worst comes to worst, later on after I can put some nuts underneath if I don't like it, but pretty easy so far. Now that I got both sides on, Abby's gonna stop playing on our computer because it says it takes 3 people to do this step. I'm saying screw you, or it's just gonna take 2 of us. One of us and one pregnant of us.
Does the baby?
Yeah, the baby counts as 3. Yay! All right, we got the top on. Thanks, Abby. Thanks, baby, whatever your name is gonna be. Now I put these 2 screws in at the bottom, like they don't say in the instructions that I'm not using. And the next step is we gotta put a thing in the front. Oh, look how cool that is. Look at that. There's like a mini burner in there. It's like a boost burner. It's awesome. All right, now we put that little front panel here that has little magnets for the doors. And I'm gonna put the screws in. And I'm just getting this on video to show you that I do my own stunts. As dangerous as it is, we'll get through it. So easy. So easy, even a ginger can do it. With the new screwdrivers his girlfriend got him.
You're welcome.
Thank you. That was like my thank you. Saying you were awesome.
Yeah. Yay.
Alright, so we've got the side panel on, got the side burner in, and now we're going to move on to the other side. Oh yeah. Oh, it's getting tight. Ta-da! I got both sides on, and I'm gonna follow the next thing that I have to do as per instructions. I'm not following. Instructions, they tell you to put the heat shield in, then put these little bars. Okay, well, like with the heat shield in, it is a little bit harder to get these bars in place. So I would say put these bars in first, then the heat shield, and life will be easier. Bam! She's done. I'm gonna do some pinstripes on this in orange, and then she'll for sure be done. That's why I didn't put the handle on. All right, just testing everything out. Flame on. Got the turbo one kicking. It's gonna be awesome. Apparently you gotta let that go for a while and let everything burn off. So thanks for watching. And I know that videos lately have sucked because I just not set up in the computer room yet. So this one I'm doing on my phone. So if you're gonna be patient, I will bring you some good shit eventually. Thanks for hanging out and subscribing and being along for the ride this long or this short or whatever. So far we're cooking at 350. Pork chops are doing fantastic. This thing's pretty awesome. Pretty sturdy for the most part. You know, usually these Master Chef ones aren't too sturdy, but this one's not too bad. And it was paid for with Canadian Tire money, so that's awesome. Nothing like free barbecue.